So as you can see, a lot of these switches are really sticky and about to pop out. So done a full Bakelite upgrade here, replacing all the switches and power points. Also guys, make sure you like the video, and there's a link to our newsletter if you want to drop a follow on that. Always good busting out a fresh set of screwdrivers. What do we want? This, we'll take this. That's all we ever use, isn't it? There, buddy. Circuits are all locked out. That's what we want. Hello, buddy. Today's apprentice, Augie the dash hound. So as some of you might notice, I normally use my left hand for stripping wires, but I do not twist to the left. Disclaimer. Nothing worse than when you take a power point off and all the cables are twisted to the left. What do you reckon, buddy? So a lot of these have discoloured as well. A lot of the switches have discoloured, like you can see there and there. Customer wants to freshen up, but then also a lot of them have got sticky and the actual mech has started to push in and fault, like that last one at the front there. These things are great for marking holes on isolators and things like that as well. Some of this paint with the knife. so we don't take off all the paint when the switch comes off. Cheers guys. Don't forget to like the video and follow us in the description.